Gino Bavaro,
Ecco.
professione parrucchiere. Cos'è per lei il design?
Il disegno per me è un'energia incredibile. Allora, speak in English?
No, no, italiano. You speak better English or
I'm
Italian?
from Chicago.
So speak English if you like.
Ecco. Yes, the design for me is an inspiration of life, which takes you to the next level.
You are a designer in a way. Can you say you're a designer or?
Yes, I am. I'm hairdressers, and we put ourselves into the category of art and feeling and structure.
I'm coming from a completely different part of design, that is product design. I'm really curious about what do you think design is for you?
Design for me is an inspiration. Design for me is energy. Design for me is a moment where it changes very rapidly.
Even because it's really, how do you see, because you have to manage with people, you have a lot of, how do you see design in a, I don't know how to express, but
How do we see design into my
you link
craft?
it to you link it with the person, or is more like your idea on the top of a little ball?
Yeah, we catered the person to architect the fashion, and we created a look, by using those three items. And those items create an incredible inspiration of today's feeling.
What is an object you like? What is an object you would like to have, or maybe it's not existing, or you'd like to invent?
An object, what do I like it? I like modern, and I like technology, and I really cannot answer what I would like it to have, because I'm content with it, what's happening today world, into today technology, and it makes me part of it, of a modern world.
So you don't have any wish or any need for something.
My wish would be to get myself more involved with technology and more into the computer world. That way I will be able to answer that more defined, but I could not answer that because I'm very little knowledge into the computer world.
So you like something more technology, and you like you're missing education in technology.
Exactly. Like communication with the technology, yes.
And you don't miss like old-fashioned products or way of living, or?
No, the old-fashioned makes in today's life. The old-fashioned, without the old-fashioned, we won't be creating what we are doing. So we needed the old-fashioned. I mean, do I miss that? No, because it gives you the go for, and by having some of the past allows you to be more strong and more direct into what is today life.
What, you are living in Milan? You are living in...
I live in Chicago.
But you come often in Italy?
Yes, I come at least about 1 to 2 times a year for fashion, transactional, moda.
What do you like of Chicago, and what do you like and what do you miss in Chicago, and what do you like in Milan, and what do you miss in Milan? That you have an external vision of the city. What do you think Milano needs?
Milano and Chicago are two different worlds. What I see is Chicago as an inspiration of a new, of very much so energy, of strong direction, need for beautiful, I mean, it is a beautiful city, it's a beautiful culture, but Chicago, Milano, it's one culture, and the craft and the designer, it really takes that really behind of the steps. They take that very strong and very culturistic, and it makes me very excited when I come here, because I see reality of a really sincere of culture and turning to designing. That's what I miss not having in the state, because the state in Today it's quick, let's go on, let's produce, let's make happen in Milano, or Italy in general, ma Milano, because it's the base of the designers.
It's the beginning.
Beginning.
What do you think Milano is missing?
What I think Milano is missing, it's a very strong question. To me, to answer that, I'll be speaking for a very small, narrow mind, and I don't want to speak on that direction because Milano, it's got a lot to offer, and I have to really study the word because it's a strong word. I cannot answer that.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.